guys, it's Liv. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm starting a new series on this channel called Vegan for Beginners, and then each video will have kind of like a different theme, but they will all be centered around easy recipes and information for new vegans or people who want to start eating more plant-based. So today is the first video in this series and it is dinner ideas. So in this video I'm just going to be showing you two simple vegan dinner ideas that are perfect for weeknights. They take minimal ingredients, minimal time, all of that stuff that you guys know I love when creating recipes. And the last thing I wanted to say, I always put my Instagram down in the corner, but I feel like sometimes people don't realize that that's what my Instagram is. It is at itslivb, and it's always just written down in the corner here, but I just wanted to let you know that that is my Instagram that I always put down there. So if you're interested in following me on Instagram, then that is it. So that is everything I have to say for now. Let's get into the video. Starting off cooking some quinoa, so add some quinoa to a pot and double the amount of water. Then you want to bring it to a boil, and once it's boiling, turn the heat down to low and put the lid on so that it can simmer and cook. This in total takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Meanwhile, in a frying pan, you're going to heat up some oil and then add 2 store-bought veggie burgers. Having store-bought veggie burgers on hand is just so handy, especially when you can just keep them in the freezer and use them for quick meals. Pick whatever kind you want. There are so many varieties out there and a lot of them are really, really good. So give them a go and get a box to keep in your freezer. Like the quinoa, on the back of the veggie burger box, it should tell you exactly how long to cook them for, but on average, it's usually around 5 minutes per side. So I will flip those over, and then once those are flipped, I just move them to the side of the pan and then add the vegetables that I want to use. On this day, I used some orange bell pepper and red onion. You can use whatever veggies you like and change it up, of course, but this is just what I decided to use. Once the veggie burgers were not frozen anymore, I just chopped it up with the spatula so that it was in bite-sized pieces. And to give it a little bit more flavor, I added some barbecue sauce. Most barbecue sauce that I have come across is in fact vegan. Some of them have some weird things like chicken stock or anchovies or honey, but for the most part, most of them that I have seen have been vegan, so just read the ingredients as usual. Once you add the barbecue sauce, just cook it for about another minute, and then to assemble the bowl, I just add some quinoa, followed by the veggie burger pieces and the vegetables. Then I add in some fresh greens because I like how fresh spinach tastes in this, and you know, it's really good for you, so always good to add some greens. And then lastly, I added a little bit more barbecue sauce and some of these crispy wonton pieces. I just found these at the store and they are so good. I feel like corn chips would also work, but they add just a nice little crunch, so, but you can totally make this without them as well. For this bowl, we are making rice noodles, so you just want to boil a pot of water and then add your rice noodles into it. These are called pad Thai noodles, that's what it says on the package, but any kind of rice noodles will work, and rice would also work too. And then in a separate frying pan, I heated up some oil, and then I patted some firm tofu dry with some paper towel just to get out the excess moisture, and then put that in the pan and kind of stirred it around and flipped them over until each side was golden brown. Once they were nice and crispy, I added in some green onions and orange pepper. I like to use the same vegetables when I make videos like this so that you guys don't feel like you have to go out and buy a bunch of different vegetables. Like for example, bell peppers are really versatile and you can use them in a lot of different things. So that's why I'm showing kind of like similar vegetables in this video. And then on top of all of that, I put some sweet chili sauce, pretty much always vegan. I've never seen a non-vegan sweet Thai chili sauce in the store before. So I just put that all over the whole thing, stirred it for just a minute or two to get everything coated. And then I assembled the bowl again with some fresh spinach, because I'm trying to be healthy here, and some rice noodles, and then I put the sweet chili stir fry on top, and that's it. really hope you guys enjoyed these recipes. As usual, if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!